Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to swap two variables in Python. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Visual Studio Code on my Windows PC and I will create a new file to handle the shortcode for this video today. I will name it is swap two variable.py. Okay, so here I will declare two variables. The first is number 1 equal 10. So number 2 equal 20. Yeah. So now my purpose will be swap the value of number 1 equal 20 and the number 2 will be equal 10. Okay. So here I will declare a temporary variable here. I will have a temp. It will be equal to number 1. Okay, and then the number 1 will be equal to number 2. The last step I have the number 2 will be equal to temp. Okay, so let me explain this one again here for you for more detail. The first step I will assign the value of number 1 into temp. That means for now the temp will be equal to the value is 10. Okay, this is my comment. And next step I will have a number 1 equal number 2 values, so the number 1 will be the 20. The last step I will have a number 2 will be equal to 10, so it will be equal to 10. Yeah, so that means for now the value of the number 1 has been swapped for the number 2. Okay, so now I will print this out. Print the value after swapping is okay, I will have a number 1 equal number 2 equal, it will be 0 and this will be 1 dot format. I will have a number 1, number 2. Okay, make this one smaller. Save it. Okay, so now here I will run this shortcode. Run it. Yeah, you see the value for number 1 will be equal to 20. Yeah, the number 2 will be equal to 10. Yeah, so the value have been swapped between two numbers. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you complete this video, you know how to swap the values between two numbers in the Python. Okay, so in this video you know how to use the temporary variable to swap it. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you see any issue or have any comment, leave it for me in the comment section. Okay, I will respond to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching and see you guys later in another video. Bye bye.